Oh, power, you going to business, nigga.
Shit. Take off just like G6, I land in New State UPS. Hit myself, she did that when I look back, that's slow.
Alright, so it's... I feel like I'm doing the same intro again like I did last meet. But, yeah, I'm in a rush again. I have to wash these 2 cars. My girl's helping me out with the stickers, so luckily I have her do that. And then, yeah, I gotta hurry up and prep these cars because the homies are gonna be on the way over here soon. And we need to start loading stuff up. This meet's about to be big and shit. Like it's gonna be so dope. I'm gonna have so much content, and this might be a 30-minute vlog. We'll see. But I'm hyped to see how everything goes. If stuff sells, I mean, it's gonna sell regardless. I'm gonna sell, you know, little things. But yeah, I gotta wash this dirty X5. The M4 is dirty as hell too. I was gonna detail it and repolish the wheels, but I can't because that's all messed up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just wash these, get it out the way, and start
niggas cap, on my Glock they match. My drugs in my match. I heard his whole gang stack. I heard them boys just flagging. One round nigga, I got that torch, but that bit like EA Sports.
Okay, so the car's finally washed, done, ready to go. The X5 is ready too. Obviously, it's not there. My girl went to go put gas, but yeah, it's already. I don't have my phone on me, but it's about to be 5. Gotta load up the car. So we'll clean this out, load up the car. Homie should be pulling up in a sec. I'm like, damn, I'm honestly behind, and this is what I get for just procrastinating. But yeah, I just need to load up 2 bins full of clothes. Have the table ready. The wall, which I have right here. Probably just a rack for t-shirts. That should be it. Stickers are already done. And I'll probably take some flags too. But yeah, let me just do this real quick and then I'll probably just cut straight to rollers on the way over there.
Michael.
Jerry, nice to meet you.
Alright, so we got a little situation. Homies parked up right here. We got a shit ton of cars pulling up, so I gotta figure out.
Oh, that's not part of the meet?
Nah,
Oh.
nah.
Why not?
You'll probably realize right now. I don't wanna like bother him and be like, hey.
You don't bother him now? You're gonna bother him in like 20 minutes?
Well, I bother him, gonna hit me with a needle, bro.
Let's call Wilson Ruben.
Hey, for real, Ruben wants a needle bad, bro. You want pep?
You want peptide?
You want peptide?
Might be mixed with some fat, but
What? But yeah, with this setup, I'm just waiting for other cars to pull up. So I'm gonna do kind of like.
how's that not part of the meet?
That
That shit kind of far.
Yeah, you should. I have cars lined up. Another row. Probably like.
Yeah, wait, what'd you say?
No, I'm trying to do car
No, you
show
said
style.
another what?
Another row.
True.
Wow, you top. You've been doing your research.
Yeah. Yeah. I like the improvement.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I mean? Damn, no air out, Bob?
We're not staying right here, no?
Fuck with the tattoo?
Fake or real?
Yeah, it's the Pointed Island.
What the fuck? That shit looks tough though.
Hey, you know what looks tough?
She's aired up, huh?
Nah, my family. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on,
What
bro.
you mean? Hold on.
Everyone wants to wear bands though.
Hold on, bro.
Angle kit? No, I'm playing.
Finally, bro.
For real. All true.
Fuck, dude. That's fucking. What was it, the last vlog?
Last meet.
Wait, 2 vlogs ago, that shit fell on fucking step. Yeah, well, because I stopped the post it.
Look at this shit moving,
Can't even see it. Oh, there you go.
Got it.
Shouldn't you put it on this side? Or no?
Put it on the end like that?
Is there only 2?
No, there's 4. And then put 2 in the... Oh yeah, put...
Damn, that shit got a Michael Jackson lean to it, bro.
I chat.
No, it's 2 fingers. Two fingers.
Throw that shit away.
There's no trash, bro. I'm not littering, bro. I'm not like that. It's not me, bro. Pulls in the car, right?
I got scared.
You got scared, bro. I felt it.
Oh shit, I didn't know there was a fucking mosque.
Are you scared? Oh, this is
Oh, papas. You're not even in no more.
I think just post up over there right now. Hopefully get the cars, but
At least it's moving.
I know at least it's moving. But see, I didn't want to bother this. Realize like shit.
I think you should park him next to the booth. What you mean hard, bro? Shit hard, bro. Oh, Andrew. Oh, Andrew. Ooh.
You got a spike my shit? Does he have insurance?
He got bars, bro. He got bars.
He does, but he woke up.
Man, she just smashed it.
Where do you want me to go?
Where the fuck? Are you gonna be dipping early or not?
Probably, yeah.
Fuck.
I'm gonna be here all
Alright, then I
night.
get it.
I'm gonna be here all night, chat. We lit.
I'll do you last. You work at what? 6 a.m.
Said I'll do you last.
up at 5.
I'll set you up last. Or actually, I'm dipping in like
Cause I remember last time when everybody dipped for a day, I was like, fuck it, I'm dipping too.
yeah, because what I'm doing a whole like car show setup. So whoever's gonna be set up is gonna be
Dave's
stuck
coming
until
right
the
now.
show's over.
Yeah,
Right there.
He's on his way.
Oh, he's right here.
Oh shit!
What's up, Manny?
All right, so we already have the booth set up. Got the cars here. Already got a little lineup right now. Got a clean truck right here. And all the other cars over here. Still have more cars on the way, so we're just waiting for them to pull up, and then I can just start lining them up. So like I said earlier, I do want to do like a car show setup. So yeah, I'm just waiting for more cars to pull up, and then organize a little bit more. But I honestly like the way it looks. All the cars right here, and then I'll just kind of figure out how I'll do where the garage is at. So yeah, this is what we got right here. Ruben's car, I have 4, and all the other whips, and the boot setup. What?
I just said, Joe, what the fuck is up, YouTube? Today we're at the Borns that I meet. Don't worry that it's empty. You know, it's like an hour before it starts.
Yeah, we're hella early, bro.
Don't think this shit not lit. It'll be lit.
It's about to get
wait.
crazy,
Just
yeah.
wait. Be patient.
That's literally what happened the last time too.
If you want it to be lit, probably skip like maybe like 2 minutes. 2 minutes up the
Okay,
line.
bro, this shit.
Come on,
it's
wait,
about to cut to
They trying
the.
to say empty line?
It's about to cut to the
I'm hoping that.
crazy shit. Hold on. It's good. Yeah, this shit's ass, bro. I think we should move the Mustang. Clapped out Mustang, bro. That shit ass. Yeah. That shit look crazy. No bars. Go ahead. You're good. another shot? That shit crazy, man.
Get the minivan. Make sure you get the minivan. Make sure.
Come on.
You know what? Sleeper. That's the sleeper. That's the sleeper.
What'd you say?
The sleeper. Nah, that truck crazy, bro. We were saying hang on the side of the truck right there.
Yeah, because I'm just going to hop on a random person's truck.
Well, ask, bro, and then just go around. Bro,
Hey,
this shit.
hey, bro.
Just hello, people.
Bro, hey, make sure you get the van, bro.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, hey, bro. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
World on fire. I said the world on fire.
My fault. Yeah, hey, he should have got 005 first. 001.
Oh my god, it's the same nigga from last time. This nigga dead ass got the cops here last time. Nah, he better start. He better start. Okay, thank you.
Yo, what the fuck is up, YouTube? Today we're at this fuck ass born that I meet. She ain't even hit, to be honest.
This shit not hitting for real.
Fucking crazy, y'all. Y'all don't even know. Look how fucking packed it is.
Oh, we're cooked, bro.
Oh, they deep.
They're like 20, bro. It's like 20.
It wasn't too bad.
Anybody that's still here, your vehicle will be impounded for 30 days. Very quick now with the piece of shit Lamborghini.
Head out, because we're going to post up.
Yeah, we got a dip. I'm gonna bust it. Oh yeah.
It's not Kane. It's Kane's on.
No, we're gonna end it out. It's outside. Gotta dip out, get some rollers.
Am I still in the Katie?
Yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is how the meet turned out. Crazy as fuck. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but this shit crazy. Alright, so I sent the location or put it on my story and we just got here and it's already packed as hell. Pulled up with the homies, all lined up, all the way over there. Holy shit, it is so fucking packed.
Dude, is that fucking Luis Carlos? Dude. Nah, no. Bro, my pleasure.
Already filled up the fucking parking lot again, bro. That's what I'm saying.
Can't just chill, bro.
It's good though. Hey, next spot in a bit, bro. We're about to hit up all of SJ. Nah, T-Say next, bro. Or should we go to Cane's next?
What you mean next spot?
So we're gonna go eat In and Out. This gets shut down, we're gonna hit Cane's, bro. Yeah, so we're it's fucking muggy. Alright, bro. Look, white body shit, bro.
Get some motherfucking gutter. trap together, then that's my motherfucking brother. My dog. I pay her bills and bow to Zella, but I don't love her. What she need, no mom. She just play her part when it's time to smoke.
I just want to say, for those that pulled up, I appreciate y'all showing support, copying merch at the booth, and pulling up to the meet. And man, like, it's crazy. I didn't think it was gonna get this packed, but damn, y'all went crazy. So for sure gonna host another one, which I do have planned with Clutch. Y'all will see that soon, but it should be in a month from now. But after that, I think we're gonna hit up LA to host another meet. Try to hit up other states.
Midnight run.
Damn, like, it's crazy. I pulled up and this place was already packed as hell. We'll see, might have to do another spot again after this.
Think you got more shot than CG, come and try your luck.
Well, me got fucking shut down, bro.
Let's go third spot.
Antics.
Well, time to go home. Second spot got shut down, so I don't know if y'all can hear me. What are we doing?
Tatting them up, right? Oh, wait. Chill, bro. Expose them.
Hey, did you try taking one off just in case it doesn't stay on for hella long?
Hold on.
Damn, my buzz! Look at him, look at him. Hey, flick me up, flick me up.
Alright, your turn, bro.
Shit tough.
Where your clothes at?
Alright, what do you want? Bro, you're boned though, bro.
Bad.
Hey, that shit tough.
Hey, we got
The
like
fuck, where the cross at?
That's right there.
I don't think it's wet. Oh, it's wet. Oh. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Oh.
Nah, hey, keep it straight, bro.
Yoo-hoo! What the fuck? Today, bro.
You're about to be twinning.
You know you can just pour water over it? Like, you can go put your arm over it. Let's go.
Look at this fool.
Show him the real one. I got too close. What the fuck wrong with you,
My
bro?
fault, bro, my fault.
Shit, too
It's
fresh.
still healing right now, bro.
Yeah, my shit's too.
Damn, imagine if I just like rub it off.
Nothing gonna happen, bro.
Really?
Hey, chill, bro. Damn, what the fuck? Bro, I told you shit fresh, bro.
No, brother. No, bro. Chill. Oh my. Chill, bro.
Wait, you gonna hit me back? My bad. Nah,
Nah, I gotta try it.
Oh, nah, Carl.
What the?
Fuck, you got skin, bro.
Oh no! Oh! Look at this fool.
Hold on.
This fool had a.
No, mom.
Hold on, wait.
Nah, he big BTD.
Fuck, bro.
Told y'all, bro. I really die about this shit, bro. I'm the fucking face, bro. I'm the fucking face. I'm really the face of this shit, bro.
You should model like that, bro.
For real.
I know, that shit kinda hard.
It should look like my yummy.
We're here in the BTD vlog. What you gotta say to the camera?
Airline pop, bro.
Alright, next.
Niggas cap, on my Glock they match. My drugs in my match. I heard his whole gang.